Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the JinHyun bottle cleaner. You can get this product on Amazon for about $28. Check out the link in the description. The product is designed to easily fit and clean difficult to reach areas. The bottle cleaner comes in a set with 2 extra sponges. Replacing a sponge is very easy and only takes a few seconds. You can get the replacement sponges on Amazon. Check out the link in the description. Using the bottle cleaner is very convenient and it works for all kinds of bottles. I tested the bottle cleaner with a bunch of different bottles and I think it's a very good product. It's easy to use and it cleans the bottles really good. So if you're looking for a convenient and reliable bottle cleaner, I would recommend the JinHyun bottle cleaner. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.